No, pues, medio que le digo, quítale esta tuerca. Sigue. Alright, welcome to my channel once again. We're gonna remove the 4 spark plugs on my 2000 Toyota Corolla. And these are the steps. So we're gonna remove these are the 4 coils, and the spark plugs are inside those coils. So first we're gonna remove these 4 bolts. This one is an 8mm socket, and these are 10mm sockets. And I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the connector first. There it is. And we can go ahead and do the same for the rest. It takes a little bit of force. Alright, let's remove this first bolt. You gotta be careful because the thread on the aluminum gets worn, and that's why I had to replace this bolt to this one. These are the originals. Okay. Next we take the coil out, put it to the side. Next I get my 1/4 inch with an extension, and you need with a 5/8 1/4 inch deep socket to remove the spark plug. Make sure you hold on to here and keep it straight. The other way around. Gotta be careful with this because otherwise you might break it. It should be this way. Okay. I'm loosening up by hand. And out it comes. As you can see that this is worn out already. And here is the new one. Okay. You want to go ahead and install the new one. In order, I like to put some anti-seize grease on the thread. Put it all the way around so the spark plug won't become stuck inside the cylinder. Right here, put it inside the socket first, then you tighten it a little bit with your hand. Once you feel that it's snug with your hand, you can grab your tighten it. Just a little more force, not too much, till you feel it's kind of tight. That's enough. Next, install the coil. Put it back in. Go ahead and install the bolt. don't tie these bolts too hard. Just enough pressure in order that the coil won't be moving. And that should do it. Go ahead and plug the connector back in, and you are ready to move on to the second one. Next, we move on to the second coil, second spark plug. This makes your life easier and faster. Makes the job done faster. I recommend it. Gotta be careful with this one. Move this one aside. It usually has a bolt here, but I don't have it on just for this reason. Now that it's loosened, take it out. And with your hand. Let's not forget the anti-seize. Sure, lift this up, and then next bolt. Tighten it with the battery power ratchet. Do it slowly. And you can tighten it by hand as well. That should do it. And connect the electrical connector to the coil. And proceed to the next one. Alright, last spark plug. It's on. Connect the last connector. Make sure they don't move. Doesn't move. Okay. Let's put the valve cover, engine valve cover back on. Install back the 10mm. And you are done. Thank you for watching, guys, and this is how you change the 4 spark plugs on a 2000 Toyota Corolla. See you next video.